Have you been serving the same dishes on repeat? Sometimes the idea of creative meal planning sounds impossible with all the other tasks and responsibilities on your plate. What if it was done for you as you shopped for groceries online? Introducing the Recipe Shop, a new way to meal plan for you and your family. The Recipe Shop recommends personalized recipes for your meal planning convenience based on items in your cart and your past purchases. It also factors in your dietary preferences and family size. Find recipes based on specific items in your cart. And discover new, simple ways to combine your favorite foods with familiar ingredients. Complete a meal with one click, adding any remaining items to your cart. And easily access your recipes by clicking on the gold button. Hosting a party or planning an event? Find new inspiration all year long by browsing our collection of seasonal dishes. Access the Recipe Shop on the go from your mobile device. Feeding your family has never been so convenient or so personalized. Let your cart inspire mealtime. Shop ingredients, shop recipes, shop with ShopRite.